So this is called a video, or this is called a video. This is a video called another episode of slow motion mouth tunes. These are birds that make crazy noises, but they're slow motion. Like they slow mode the birds, which creates crazy things. It starts playing in normal, and then it slows down. So, I don't know. Anyone needed proof that birds are in fact not real? I mean, not that you really needed proof, but All right, let's get started. And this waveform is fucked. I didn't even look at it. Oh, good God. Actually, well, it's kind of cool. I'm not, holy Jesus Christ. Okay, hold on. We got an emergency situation. Oh, Walter, no. No, you get, fuck. There's a big ass spider, dude. Oh, he's gonna chase it under the, don't do it. Where did it go? What? Dude, you could have just let me handle it. Where did it, oh no. Ah! Sorry about that. Why am I still wearing this? All right, let's get started. That doesn't sound like a bird anymore, does it? Ah, sounds like an angry cat playing tug of war. When you have, you're like, give it, give it back, and the cat's like, you know? Okay, I want where it initially slows down. Where's that? There, right there. That's sick. All right, so the bird already kind of popped off on its own, doing this little rhythm. We just gotta like kind of quantize the thing, you know? What a great noise that is. Let's see what we can do with these things right here. So OTT it naturally. Crazy amount of background noise. Transient. Processor, here we go. That sounds terrible. Take that off. This sounds just really quiet, so I'm just gonna have to be layered or something. Okay, let's make it not sound like a bird. Well, okay. Well, number one, that already sounds fucked up, and then two has been, you know, slowed down. I don't want to put the tinfoil hat back on. Dude, tell me this right here. Remember that that like porn meme that everyone used to like send to people, and that you would send them a video, and it would be like a normal video, and then it would just blast like that really loud moaning sound, and then hopefully they would play it like in public and then get really embarrassed. Tell me that's not this right here. They're like, ooh, cool birds. We now know the source of that sound. You guys, it was just nature. There's nothing to be embarrassed about, okay? You ever get caught lacking in public again, just be like, I'm so sorry, it's National Geographic. I'll turn it down. That's sick. Let's get like a wood block. Okay, this background noise is annoying though. That's the only downfall. Well, there's multiple downfalls, but that's a major one. Let's see if we can get something more loud so I don't have to boost it so much. Dude, that's sick. Let me play around with that idea for just a moment here, because there's potential here for sure. Oh. Yeah, the clicking is a bit of an issue. I really wish I knew what was going on. Wait, is it this sample? Is this sample just clicking? That's so strange, dude. What? That one sounds fine, but it's just not as like cool and tight as the other one. Let me just try running the bird through multiple different plugins. See if that'll help spark the creativity a little bit, you know? Just kind of get the juices flowing, I guess. You know, right now it's like a pond, and what we want is like a nice stream, you know, like a river perhaps, where the water's actually moving. All right. What the fuck is IDM? Like, what does it stand for? Because like I see people say it, and I don't know what it means. Intelligent dance music. All right. Well, I feel like there's a lot of people that wouldn't put me in that category, considering what I'm doing right now. You know, to be fair, you need it takes a fairly high IQ to understand what I do here. Okay. IDM. It doesn't have the same flow as EDM. That's like, you know, the E. You need the A. Literally the only time that I like actually needed to say E. What? All right, I'm gonna start the song now. Okay, let's take that and use that as like a little sonar. I'm gonna increase the tempo a little bit too. 150 is just not doing it for me. It's down a little bit. Dude, maybe a house beat would be sick, actually. I'm gonna try that because it's been an hour and I haven't really done anything, and I don't really give a shit. I just want to make a good song, dude, and like sometimes I just can't fucking do that. Fuck learning how to make music. If these streams do anything to help anyone, it's realize that like it's okay to suck ass. I am living proof. All right, you can just suck. You got this. Self-deprecating moments. Dude, maybe I'll put that in the song. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so it's gonna a little house action here, and now we're gonna go into whatever the fuck I did here. This little self-deprecating moment. Just gonna go into some house beats, some house music. Self-deprecating moment. Okay, give me a beat. Give me a drum beat. Give me a snare or a clap. Probably a clap. Give me a hat. Give me a smooth bass line. Okay, bring these over here. Is that G sharp? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this actually might work in our favor now. Let me try using this thing that we made earlier. Trying to layer it. Could have more oomph to it right there. Also, joke's over. Let's try one higher up. All right, let's switch up this groove a little bit so that it's not. Goddamn. Should I just scrap the project? Do you think, guys? Should I just toss this one in the bin and you know, we can hang out and talk about like Spider-Man or something? All right, now let's take the walkie-talkie bird thing. God help us all. There it is. Dude, watch this. But I could put this like on like the last bar of this beat right here, and it'll just sound cool. Yeah. I could just, here, let me just try and line it up a little bit better. So I can just go. And then watch, I can loop that little bird filler. That is comedic. Yes, it is. I feel like a vocal or something in here could help us. Ooh, this might be nice. Okay, back to what I was actually looking for, though. Pitch down bird. I didn't know what to put right here. I know exactly what to put right here. I got just the thing for the second part here. You're right to this motherfucker, bounce to this motherfucker. Okay, cool, dude. Hey, cool bird song, bro. My friends, hats on, okay? I shouldn't have taken as long as it did. Here's what I made. Enjoy my super cool house music banger. Sorry, didn't know voice effects were still on. Oh, I made a song, guys. I fucking did it. Can I get a round of applause for me? Let's go. I did something. I know. Holy shit, thank you, guys. Oh my god, thank you. Holy crap, dude. I can't. Holy shit. Cool end part there. The song just dies. Honestly, kind of fire. All right, pop off. Is it Banza or Bonza? I like saying Bonza because it's like more festive. I'm not even gonna come. Sick. Burbs. I like this sentiment right here. I would like to give you a jazz submission. Please have yourself a bottle of beer or a cup of tea if that's your thing. Sit back and relax. Welcome to the calf muscle. This is how I fucking felt just now, dude.
What are you talking about? What? Oh, have you not heard?
Super dope. What? Damn, it's been a while. It's been a while since we just had big reverb fart on an outro. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so fucking much. Holy shit. Your season 3 audio combatants. I don't actually have a full list in front of me.